Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveen, and in this video I will be showing you how to make a 3D text in Adobe Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new file in the dimension you want. So after making the new file, what I'm going to do is give some background color for better text picture. So once you're done with the background, create a new layer for your text. Enter your text. So after entering your text, what you need to do is press Ctrl A, go to layer, align layers to selection, vertical centers, again layer, align layers to selection, horizontal centers. So after doing this, you need to know to create a 3D layer you need 2 layers. So what you need to do is go to the text layer, right click and click on the duplicate layer. Clicking on the duplicate layer will make a copy of your text layer. Go to the copy layer. So in this text you can see the bottom layer is in blue color and the top layer is in white color. So I'm going to change the bottom layer to blue color and the top layer to white color. So bottom layer is already in blue color and I'm going to change the top layer to white color.
This is not a drill.
So once I'm done with the color changes, what I'm going to do is click on the bottom layer, select the selection tool and press the right arrow twice. You can see the difference, right? So this is a simple one. You can customize more by creating another one layer and go to the copy layer, select the selection tool and click the down arrow twice. So this is good, right? You can just after doing this is a simple one actually. After doing this, what you need to do is press Ctrl Shift and select all the layers, right click and convert to smart object. So all the 3 layers will be selected to a single layer. So what I'm going to do is right click, go into blending option. So you can give some effects to your text by drop shadow and contour. You can see the difference, right? So this is good, right? This is how you create a 3D text in your Photoshop, guys. So I have created some 3D text like this one, and by giving some effects like this, you can change the difference. This is the same idea, but you can see the difference in each one. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to follow updates. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Oh, for sure.